Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn off your activity history on Google Chrome. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off your activity history on Google Chrome, go to Google Chrome and in search type My Activity and click on the first link, welcome to my activity. Here click on the activity, web and app activity. Scroll down, click on the Google Chrome icon here, scroll down, and here you will find web and app activity, and now it's turned on. If you want to turn off keeping activity history, just click on turn off button here. Here you will find two options, one turn off, and here you will find the second option, turn off and delete activity. That means it will delete the currently saved all activities. You can choose any one. I am selecting turn off. Now click on got it, and here from here you can delete your currently saved activities or click on got it. This is the easiest way to turn off keeping activity history on Google Chrome. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.